SquishyLand here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my Jumbo Banana PUNI MARU squishy collection. So as you see, I have 4. Make sure you guys subscribe because I post every single week, maybe 3 times a week, I don't know, sometimes every day, I don't know. It always is changing, but I definitely post videos very often. So make sure you are subscribed. And yeah, guys, I'll make sure the Collabaway winner is right on the screen now. And you can email me. My email is jocelync70@icloud.com. So Collabaway winner, make sure you email me or DM me on both my Instagrams, one of them. Doesn't matter, just make sure you DM me or email me and we'll figure out the collab. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so before I start this video, I just want to apologize for the lighting. I know it is kind of yellow, it's just that it's really late at night, so there's no natural lighting outside. And I also want to apologize for all the crinkling. Yes, all my PUNI MARU bananas are in packaging except for one, so there's definitely going to be a lot of crinkling in this video. Just warning you now, and yeah, let's get on with the video. So the first PUNI MARU banana that I'm going to show you is this pink one. It's the first one that I ever got. This is probably my most affected banana. It has a lot of defects. That's why I squish it a lot. All of these bananas are super duper slow rising, and this one in particular is probably one of my softest bananas. Next, we have this yellow one, which was my second PUNI MARU banana. This one is not as soft as the pink one, but it is still super duper slow rising. My third jumbo banana was this melon one that I got for Christmas. This one is definitely a lot more dense than my other ones. These are also the newer PUNI MARU bananas, this one is, so it's probably going to be a little bit different than my other ones. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the new PUNI MARU bananas and the older PUNI MARU bananas. As you can see, the sizes are kind of the same, but the older ones are more slow rising. And the newer ones are a lot more dense. This PUNI MARU banana is probably one of my favorite out of all of them because I really like the design. This is the strawberry one, and this is my 4th PUNI MARU banana. I got this from Jenna Lynn in a squishy package video. If you want to see this video, make sure you check the I button. Probably right there. I don't know. Maybe right there. I don't know. This one is probably the densest one of them all. Hopefully you enjoyed this video of my PUNI MARU banana squishy collection. Make sure you're subscribed, and yeah, bye!